less gearboxy than it should be. This is not a good outcome. This is the gearbox section apparently.
Now you fit.
And
Oh, look at that.
You're just going to drive it off though, right?
oh wow, that's beautiful. Nice.
There's one of them bolts.
Nice. Be good to go again, eh?
Oh shit, yeah. Mint. Mint, mate, mint. Probably just before next year's event we'll put another box in it.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh yeah. Well, we'll see how far we get, I guess. Oil changed again, same as yesterday. Lots of metal came out of it, as you probably saw. A bit ordinary, so hopefully we'll make it back to Willowbank, get one pass at least in decent number and call it good. Day 3 back at Willowbank. We've just been called up, so I've got to make it a quick spiel anyway, but we've just got here not long ago. Scott hadn't got his first pass down because he's having a few dramas with the nitrous solenoid opening or something like that, won't spool up. My car somehow has been running fine, so we'll get out here to a first pass. We've got one pass each to go, and then we'll go around and do some more. They'll open the track up and we can all just go for our best times from there. So better get ready, get my gear on, we'll get out there.
Back
How's the gum channel work?
I had a new record down the bottom.
Fucking hell.
141.
Jesus. It sat on the line for a fucking long time. Wheels, didn't it? Track's a bit too hot, I think, so still got a 680 to hand in. 6:41. Did get off just a squirt early, but not a squirt early enough. I have to go around and do it again. So I need a better time than a 6:80. Sorry, old girl. Let's see how we go on this one. Time to get through, run another one. Sorry, old girl, shit's going to get hot. That's it, the end of the road trip. Day 3's done. They're both still driving, which is amazing.
Hasn't made it home yet.
Yeah.
That's the next mission.
Like a 45-minute hour drive-ish to 10 hours, depending on how we go. Actually done all right. I actually got things, for stuff.
Yeah, Chris won a trophy for what, best sleeper and third place in his class.
Yeah, third in the class, which is.
So if you actually tried on Friday instead of packing up and going, you might have actually got second.
Yeah, because I just kind of just handed one in and went, that'll do. Didn't care.
This thing was actually leading after day 1, still sort of leading after day 2, and then the converter won't stall up anymore. It's
cooked.
It's done.
So again this morning, drained more metal paste out of the gearbox.
Still got third place.
Yeah, so done all right anyway.
And a diesel won Class G.
Diesel.
Somehow.
And hi Nick. That's me.
Yeah.
Hi Dr. Nick.
Anyway.
Yeah, so anyway, a bit of a shout out to the Overtaking Lane guys too, because they've supplied us with a bit of our footage for the runs.
Yeah.
It's a bit hard to be in both cars racing them and filming, so.
It turns out we've got no friends anymore. So.
Yeah.
Also, the guys in the Celica, they got underneath my cars twice and took the gearbox pan off twice.
They're good guys.
Which was good because I drank beer while they did that.
Yeah. So for the rest of the event, Overtaking Lane has filmed the rest of the event, so get on their channel, check that out there, subscribe, like, do all that crap, because they're good people. And we're going to attempt to go home and see you some other time.
We're going to do drag challenge in this one, maybe.
That one?
In 3 weeks. Which means I've got to pull the gearbox out and the converter out and send that away and change the radiator and a few other things. Or we can do it in yours. Yours is reliable.
Seems to be. Like, I checked the oil this morning. Oh, I've got to put air in the tyres for the drive home.
So the road trip's only like 120-ish Ks between the tracks, but the drag challenge one's more like 300 Ks.
Yeah, they send you around.
And the temperatures in this thing, I had to turn the aircon off when I wasn't happy. So
that's not awesome.
It's got to get fixed.
May as well not have it.
Yeah, shut up. All right, I'm going home. It's tired.
I lost a dress ring too.
You did. That's why they're not allowed on the racetrack.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn it.
All right.
See you
Bugger off.
next week.